5 AI tools that do your research. While you sleep, stop scrolling. You're still spending hours digging through Google, reading boring PDFs, and trying to write a report from scratch, right? What if I told you there are AI tools that can literally do your research while you sleep? Let's dive into the top 5 AI tools for research and report writing that'll make you look like a genius without losing your mind. Tool 1, Perplexity AI first up. Perplexity AI, think of it as ChatGPT with receipts. But it doesn't just answer your questions. It gives you sources from academic papers and websites in real time. Perfect for when your lecturer or boss asks, "Where did you get that info?" Bonus, it's completely free for quick research summaries. Tool 2, Elicit Next, elicit.org, built just for researchers. You type a research question and it finds peer-reviewed studies, extracts data points, and organizes them in a table. No more scrolling through hundreds of PDFs. It's like having a research assistant that never complains or sleeps. Tool 3, Scholarcy number 3, Scholarcy. Upload any PDF or article and it instantly summarizes key points, methods, and findings. It even highlights the data you need for citations. Perfect for students, journalists, and professionals who hate reading but love sounding smart. Tool 4, ChatGPT plus custom GPTs. Tool 4, ChatGPT with custom GPTs. You can create your own AI assistant trained for your field, economics, nursing, law, whatever you're studying. It can draft reports, generate citations, even structure your paragraphs. Use it smartly, not lazily. Fact check before you submit. Tool 5, Notion AI slash Google Notebook LM, and finally, Notion AI and Google Notebook LM. These tools let you dump all your research notes in one place and automatically summarize them into insights or outlines. Notebook LM even learns from your uploaded docs and builds a knowledge base. It's like having your brain in the cloud. Wrap up, call to action. So here's your new workflow. 1, use Perplexity to find sources. 2, Elicit to extract data. 3, Scholarly to summarize. 4, ChatGPT to write drafts. 5, Notion AI slash Notebook LM to organize everything. Save this video because once you try there's no going back to manual research. Drop a comment with your favorite AI tool and I'll reply with a secret bonus one that most people don't even know exists. All right. Oh, and hit subscribe. We're building smarter, not harder this year.